Friends, I am wearing out my orange hat talking about all these Revenue Hub updates. Today, I want to give you an end-to-end connected look at how it all works together for reps who are using it. Ready? Here we go. So I'm a sales rep and I'm here on this contact record I'm working with. We've got a company record here. This is a broadcast media company, and I'm going to go ahead and create a deal. So if I come over here and create a deal, this is a truly incredible deal. Who could deny that? And we'll create it and we'll go over and land on the deal page. Now we've got a contact, we've got a company. We don't have any quotes. We don't have any payments or payment links. We don't have any subscriptions or orders. We don't have much of anything here yet, right? It's pretty empty, no invoices. Let's go ahead and add some line items. So we're going to come in here and add some line items. And I want you to notice right off the bat, we are automatically looking at the broadcast media deals price book. This is because I've set it up so that automatically, if a company is in a broadcast media industry, we're going to use this price book. There's also one for biotech that I set up, but this is a broadcast media company, so that got selected automatically. So when I come in here and add line items, I'm just seeing these few things that apply to broadcast media companies, and we're going to go ahead and check these boxes and add them. I can then come in and I can, I can view the tiers and understand how things work. I can set the quantities. I can change discounts if I want. I can do all kinds of stuff, and all of this is updating the amounts and things. We will save that, and we'll update the deal amount. Great. And now we can go ahead and create a quote. So we come in here. We're gonna use this demo template. That's great. We're gonna create a new quote, and so here we come into the quote builder. Wait for it. Here it comes. This is the template. It's pulling in my information. Look, Breeze pops open. It wrote a cover letter for me because that's part of this template. That's pretty cool. I can edit it. I can ask it for revisions, but I can look this over. It all looks great. So we're going to go ahead and share this quote with my contact, Raul. So this is now generating. It'll take just a second. This video will be a little bit long, but I want to be honest with you. I want you to see exactly every screen, how long it takes. We do have to wait for a couple of things to generate, but honestly, it's a pretty streamlined experience, and it doesn't take all that long in the grand scheme of things. So we can, the PDF is taking a while, but I can copy this link, and we'll open a incognito browser. This is Raul's experience now. He comes in here, he sees the quote, he reads it over. He can look at the tiers if he wants to review how everything works. He thinks this is an incredible deal, and he is ready to sign now. So he hops into the signing experience, which takes just a second to load. And we'll, again, not cutting out any loading screens. We will come down here. We'll look it over. This looks great. I'm going to click to sign. We're going to click to sign. And this is Raul's real signature, folks. Don't steal it. And we'll insert that. And now we'll hit continue, and we'll hit agree, and that is now done. And we close this, and look, this is where the magic really starts to happen. The quote has been accepted. Now it is automatically preparing my first invoice. I'm still Raul. Sales rep Kyle has not had to do a thing. This is just going to take a couple seconds to load. And then I'm going to have two options. I can pay now, or I can copy the invoice link to see what it looks like. But either way, I'm going to be able to pay this thing. So I'll copy the invoice link, and we'll come back to that in just a second. But if I hit pay now, it takes me to a checkout page. Here are all of those line items, right? And I can go straight to paying. If you want to see what the invoice looks like, this was automatically generated. This is downloadable, looks like an invoice, and we can click pay now, and it takes us to the screen we were just on, right? So Raul, he's having a great time here. And if we come back over here and we close out of this experience, we could download the PDF now, but we're not gonna. Look, we come back to the deal, and look what we've got now. We've got a quote here, great. We've got an order here, great. We've got a contract. Let's click into this contract. Here we can see the facts about the contract. We can get a summary of the contract. We can create a change quote or a renewal quote when it comes time for those sorts of things. We can see the contact and the company. We can see the line items, the deal, the quote. Here's the order. Here are the subscriptions. Here is the invoice. All together, all automatically created, all right here with very, very little decision making or work on my part. Some of these features are live, some of them are in beta, all of them are in Revenue Hub, so check them out, let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any questions.